Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change language in Substack. First, log into your account. Once inside, on the left panel, go to your dashboard. Now, once in here, on the lower left corner, go to your account settings. Here, under Basics, you will see Language. Now to change them, click on the drop-down beside the language that you have. Here, you can now choose on this different language and select one that you want to have on your Substack. Now I'm going to choose on one. Then in here, it will automatically refresh your Substack and it will now show your new language for it. You can go ahead and change it as much as you'd like and choose other language if you'd like to. But that's just basically it. That's how you change language in your Substack. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.